In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reduce trial and error with direct editing in Artistly AI. One of the biggest reasons people waste time is because they edit too many things at once. Instead of changing everything, focus on one edit at a time. For example, first fix the lighting, then improve the face, and finally adjust the background. Another important tip is being very specific with your instructions. Don't say make it better. Say things like soften facial shadows, improve skin texture, or sharpen the eyes. Clear prompts give more consistent results. You should also avoid conflicting instructions. Asking for dark cinematic lighting and bright daylight together usually creates strange outputs. Another great trick is saving prompts that already work well. Reusing successful prompt structures helps you get faster and more predictable results. And finally, instead of fully regenerating an image, use direct editing to refine strong images you already like. That keeps the composition more consistent and reduces random AI mistakes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.